Hey guys, welcome to our channel Hi Beginners. Today we're gonna see greeting card for Teachers Day. The things we need for this are chart, a ruler, a compass, a pencil, a marker, a thread, glue, cotton swabs, origami paper, acrylic paints, and quilling paper. So now let's do it. I've taken a chart of 34 into 28 centimeter. Fold the chart into half. Take a compass. Measure it for 5 centimeter and draw a circle. I've drawn the circle and cut it. Now take the swabs, cut it into half. So now I have cut the swabs. Now let's dip it into the paint. At the time it dries, we'll make the flower with the help of the quilling paper. My cotton swabs are ready and my quilling paper are ready. Now let's start it. I have arranged the cotton swabs. So now let's cover it with the origami paper. Now I'm showing you the front side. It looks like this. I have written Happy Teachers Day in the center. So now let's decorate the outer part with quilling paper. I have arranged the quilling paper in a flower pattern and I stuck some stars to make it look beautiful. If you like the video, please share it with your friends, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.